Shape's call outcomes are more of a reporting tool you can use to status different individual calls. So the records in your system, go ahead and open a new tab here, will have their own status, such as new lead, attempting contact, appointment scheduled, etc. And then your call outcomes are going to be kind of like statuses for your calls. So no answer, left voicemail, successful contact. These call outcomes are very powerful so that you can status the different calls that you're making and keep everything organized, of course, for your reporting. Another great feature of how these interact with statuses is in manage statuses. If you haven't dug into this already, there will be a few different options here on the right, and one of those is going to be filter. So when you hit a filter on a status, what you can do is add a call outcome filtering on top of the status. All that means is if they're in this status, then they can only select from these particular call outcomes. That way, if you have a long list of call outcomes that vary depending on like what's appropriate for what status they're in now, if they're a new lead, considering options may not be as call outcome you want to have. You may only want to have like needs more info, scheduled appointment, left voicemail, general, DNC, etc. So you can kind of just select the call outcomes here that you want based on status. And then of course, whenever they make a call, they get to the end of that call. If that record's in that new lead status, they'll only have these options to select from and not the entire list of call outcomes. So you can make pretty robust workflows just from adding filters on top of different statuses to make sure that users are always selecting the right one. Hopefully this video helps. If you have any questions on how to adjust those call outcomes, how to make changes and just build robust workflows with those, don't hesitate to reach out to help@setshape.com.